Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. Today we are going to learn how we can make card swipe in Figma. It's the fourth one of our animation series. At the end of this lesson, we are going to face with this kind of animation, as you can see here. So for making this animation, just select the frame button, iPhone SE. Now I'm going to make one rectangle here. You can give any color if you like. For example, as I gave, I'm zooming a little bit here with the help of Control key. Now I'm going to activate ellipse here, holding down Shift key to have proper circle here. Then I'm going to place one picture, that is my picture here, as you can see. Then activate T key to write down your name. Just we can make it semi-bold, for example, here, and duplicate it. Just write graphic designer, hit escape key and change the properties to extra light. The distance maybe a little bit, no space is better, I think. Yes, I'm going to bring a plugin, iconify and cross, maybe this one. Is here. Making dark to see it. Ungroup to see better cross. Just little. Yes. Bring it here to place here. Making both of this one group with the help of Control G. Bring it here. If you want, you can give the radius, corner radius here like 10 to look better. Yes, I'm going to duplicate this frame one time more. I'm selecting all of these and taking a little bit higher. Going here to make the layer 0 opacity. Then I'm going to prototype, giving it here on tab, smart animate, and it can goes back also to this. Choose first frame here, go to present mode. As you press this cross here, it goes up. Again, when you are clicking here, it's coming to show. We can see that we could achieve this kind of animation, which called card swipe here. If you found this technique useful, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.